Hello guys and welcome to our new anime talk series. In previous video you answered to our poll. You guys know that we are huge fans of Beyblade. Apart from Beyblade we have witnessed other animes which I found fascinating. Today I'm about to talk one of those fascinating anime which is Black Clover. Black Clover is an interesting anime with its mind-blowing storyline in the magic world. The watchers are kept at suspense to reveal the true villain. A brief intro would be the use of grimoires. Usually, grimoires come with 3-leaf clover, which each stands for integrity or faith, hope, and love. With the 4th leaf, the wielder gets good luck, and with the 5th leaf, there lives the devil. And the main character of this series wields a 5-leaf grimoire. A devil resides within Asta. Yuki Tabata's Black Clover started toying with the existence of devils since the beginning of the manga itself. A few months back, the manga introduced the devil of world soul magic. The shocking point, however, was the reason behind the ridiculously overpowered anti-magic of Asta is the devil itself. First of all, who is Asta's devil? Asta's devil is the devil of anti-magic. 500 years ago, when Zegrid, devil, failed to acquire Licht's grimoire of despair, it got taken over by the devil of anti-magic. Asta later received the grimoire of anti-magic. When Licht felt deep despair about the massacre of elves, his 4-leaf clover turned 5, birthing the grimoire of despair. After the devil of Kododama magic failed to acquire it, the devil of anti-magic took the grimoire. Since it was anti-magic and not magic, Asta, a manaless boy with no magic whatsoever, was the only one who could wield such a bizarre power. So, what is a devil? Devils are creatures in the Black Clover universe that reside in a world other than humans. They are malicious creatures with mana, even on par with the strongest of elves. Just like every other character in the series, devils have a magic attribute as well, but they can only acquire a unique grimoire, that is, the grimoire of despair. The devil of anti-magic. The devil of anti-magic is the devil who resides in Asta's 5-leaf grimoire. His name is also unknown. He will most likely be established as one of the strongest devils by the end of the series. It is unknown how he generates anti-magic, but so far he has no magic and has been able to negate any and every magic whatsoever. Everyone who's keeping up with the Black Clover anime knows there's a demon inside Asta's 5-leaf clover grimoire. There's even a Black Clover quote, "The 3 leaves of the clover represent faith, hope and love. Within a 4th leaf dwells good luck. Within a 5th leaf resides a demon." So there are quite a few possibilities of either Asta being a demon child, somewhat half demon and half human child, or Asta getting some hidden demonic power from his parents. So let us understand what is Unwill and Wevel in Black Clover. Well, the term Wevel refers to word magic devil, and the term Unwill refers to anti-magic devil. Asta's devil is the one that's called Unwill, and the other demon we saw during the Eye of the Midnight Sun arc was called Wevel, and it uses word magic. There's another cool theory that actually might be true. What if Asta's demon is taking in all the magic power Asta neglects? In short, all the magic attacks Asta neglects aren't actually neglected. They're being absorbed by Asta's demon. Now you must be thinking, how can a demon absorb or use more than one form of magic or collect more than one type of magic? Then let us take you back to the time the first Wizard King and the demon fought. Got it now? The demon was using all types of magic. The demon that got summoned back in the era of the first Wizard King was using all magic mana types, which makes it more clear how Asta's demon can easily absorb the magic that is being neglected, so called by Asta. Who is Ashta's demon and how did he get inside the grimoire is still a question left unanswered. The most possible answer would be just like Wind Spirit, Ashta's demon is a demonic spirit strong enough to devour all magic mana type of this era. The demon seems to be holding in and absorbing all the magic power until he gets the minimum amount of magic required to obtain a physical form or take over Ashta's body. After hours of scrolling on the internet, we finally got through something that was making sense. What if Ashta's demon was with Ashta since the beginning? Wait, I'll explain. Ashta is a descendant from a demon from the dimension of demons, and Ashta actually had some magic power inside him, but the demon cancelled it out. Maybe, who knows, it's just a theory. If we stick to the basic definition, mana is a form of life force that is used to produce magic, and it is obvious that without life forces our bodies won't operate until we die. So it's definitely impossible for Ashta to be born without any magical prowess until or unless he was created as an artificial being. The creator of Black Clover made it easier for us by denying that Ashta isn't an artificial being. In the world of Black Clover, mana is the normal world is positive, while mana in the other world, which is Demon's world, is negative. If the two manas blend together, they would negate each other, which can result in the explosion and disappearance of two manas. So, in conclusion, the name of the devil is not yet revealed, but the devil can be called, or the devil of Ashta can be called as devil of anti-magic or unveil. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will be bringing you lots and lots of interesting stories of anime ahead. Thank you.